Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a compact tractor that delivers big performance in a small package, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the new Holland Workmaster 25S, one of the most impressive subcompact tractors on the market. Whether you're a homeowner with acreage, a hobby farmer, or someone who simply needs a reliable machine to tackle everyday tasks, this tractor is built to exceed expectations and handle a wide range of jobs with ease. Let's explore what makes the Workmaster 25S a smart investment for anyone who wants power, versatility, and long-lasting durability in a compact size. The first thing that grabs your attention about the new Holland Workmaster 25S is its rugged yet modern design. It's compact enough to maneuver in tight spaces but sturdy enough to take on serious work. This tractor is perfect for mowing large lawns, maintaining gardens, landscaping, hauling material, or even light agricultural tasks. With a powerful engine, intuitive controls, and a comfortable operator station, the Workmaster 25S offers a balance of strength and convenience that stands out in the world of subcompact tractors. It's a machine built for real work, designed to make your life easier and your property more manageable. Under the hood, the Workmaster 25S comes equipped with a reliable 24.7 horsepower engine that delivers smooth, consistent power. This high-performance diesel engine provides the muscle you need to handle everything from digging and grading to hauling and mowing, all while maintaining fuel efficiency. Whether you're working in the field or around your property, you can count on the engine to deliver exceptional torque and performance, even under heavy loads. The hydrostatic transmission makes driving simple and stress-free, giving you precise control with a convenient two-pedal operation. Whether you're a seasoned tractor operator or a first-time owner, the Workmaster 25S is easy to learn and fun to operate. One of the biggest advantages of the new Holland Workmaster 25S is its incredible versatility. This tractor can be paired with a variety of attachments and implements to suit almost any job. Need to mow your pasture or lawn? Add a mid-mount mower deck and turn it into a high-performance lawn tractor. Planning to move soil, gravel, or mulch? Equip the front-end loader and start scooping, hauling, and dumping with ease. Want to tackle grading, digging, or trenching projects? Attach a backhoe and turn your Workmaster into a powerful digging machine. From snow removal to landscaping to small-scale farming, the list of tasks this tractor can handle is nearly endless. This kind of flexibility is what makes the Workmaster 25S such a valuable tool for property owners, farmers, and landscapers alike. Comfort is another area where the Workmaster 25S really shines. New Holland has designed this tractor with the operator in mind, ensuring that long days in the seat are as pleasant as possible. The open platform provides easy on and off access, while the ergonomic layout keeps all the controls within easy reach. The suspension seat is adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect position for comfort and support. Clear visibility from the operator's station means you can see your work area from all angles, increasing both safety and efficiency. Whether you're mowing for hours or doing detailed loader work, you'll appreciate how comfortable and user-friendly this machine feels. Durability is at the heart of every New Holland tractor, and the Workmaster 25S is no exception. Built with heavy-duty components and high-quality materials, this tractor is designed to withstand years of demanding use. The reinforced frame, robust axles, and high-capacity hydraulics ensure that it can handle tough jobs without breaking a sweat. Regular maintenance is straightforward thanks to easy-access service points, so you can keep your tractor in peak condition without unnecessary hassle. New Holland's reputation for reliability means you can invest in the Workmaster 25S with confidence, knowing it will deliver season after season. Another key feature that makes the Workmaster 25S stand out is its exceptional hydraulic system. With a powerful 3-point hitch and impressive lift capacity, you can attach a variety of implements like box blades, rotary tillers, and rear blades to handle everything from soil preparation to driveway maintenance. The quick attach front loader system allows you to swap attachments quickly, saving you time and keeping your workflow smooth. Whether you're grading a driveway, clearing debris, or moving heavy loads, the hydraulic system provides the power and precision needed to get the job done right. For property owners who face changing seasons, the New Holland Workmaster 25S is a year-round workhorse. In the spring and summer, it's perfect for mowing, landscaping, and garden preparation. During the fall, it can help with leaf cleanup, soil maintenance, and hauling firewood. In the winter, add a snow blower or front blade, and it becomes your best friend for clearing driveways and paths after a heavy snowfall. This all-season capability ensures that your tractor is never sitting idle, making it a smart investment for anyone who wants to maximize value and productivity. Safety is always a priority when operating heavy equipment, and the Workmaster 25S is equipped with features to keep you secure while you work. The ROPS, or rollover protection structure, provides critical protection in the event of an accident, while the seatbelt adds an extra layer of safety. The responsive braking system and intuitive controls help prevent accidents and give you full confidence while operating the machine. Whether you're navigating uneven terrain or working in tight spaces, you'll feel secure knowing your tractor is built with safety in mind. Another reason why the new Holland Workmaster 25S is such a popular choice is the excellent value it offers. Compared to other tractors in its class, it provides a powerful combination of performance, durability, and versatility at a competitive price. When you consider how many tasks it can handle and how long it will last, it's easy to see why so many homeowners, farmers, and landscapers choose the Workmaster 25S over other brands. It's a tractor that pays for itself over time by saving you labor, increasing productivity, and making property maintenance easier than ever. New Holland also provides excellent support and service, ensuring that your ownership experience is as smooth as possible. With a strong network of dealers and readily available parts, you can trust that maintenance, repairs, and upgrades will be convenient and affordable. Owning a tractor is a long-term commitment, and New Holland's dedication to customer satisfaction makes the Workmaster 25S a reliable partner for years to come. In real-world use, owners consistently praise the Workmaster 25S for its power, ease of operation, and versatility. Many users report that it exceeds their expectations, handling everything from mowing large fields to moving heavy materials with ease. Whether you have a small hobby farm, a large rural property, or even a commercial landscaping business, this tractor proves its worth every single day. It's not just a piece of equipment, it's a dependable partner that helps you get more done in less time. If you've been searching for a compact tractor that can handle big jobs, the New Holland Workmaster 25S deserves a spot at the top of your list. Its combination of power, comfort, versatility, and durability makes it one of the best subcompact tractors available today. From weekend property maintenance to full-scale farming tasks, this machine is built to work as hard as you do. With the right attachments, it can mow, dig, haul, grade, and clear snow, making it a true all-in-one solution for year-round property care. So, if you're ready to upgrade your equipment and take control of your property maintenance, the New Holland Workmaster 25S is an investment you won't regret. Its reliable engine, user-friendly design, and endless versatility make it the perfect companion for homeowners, farmers, and professionals alike. Whether you're tackling tough jobs or simply making your land look its best, this tractor will help you do it all with confidence and ease. Don't settle for less when you can own a machine that delivers more power, more performance, and more value. Visit your local New Holland dealer today to see the Workmaster 25S in action, take a test drive, and experience for yourself why this compact tractor is winning hearts everywhere. We are exploring one of the most dependable and versatile compact tractors on the market, the Bobcat CT1021. Whether you're a homeowner managing a few acres, a hobby farmer needing reliable equipment, or someone looking for a compact machine that delivers professional-grade results, the Bobcat CT1021 is a tractor that deserves your attention. It's engineered for people who demand performance, durability, and ease of operation in one small but mighty package. If you've been searching for a tractor that can handle a wide range of tasks with power and precision while remaining easy to use, this model checks all the boxes. Let's take a deep look at every detail so you can see why the Bobcat CT1021 stands out in the competitive world of compact tractors. The Bobcat CT1021 is part of Bobcat's 1000 platform, which is designed to give you the ideal balance of size and strength. With a compact frame and a narrow profile, it easily fits into tight spaces like small barns, narrow gates, or wooded trails, yet it offers the strength to take on serious work. This makes it perfect for properties with limited maneuvering space where a larger tractor would struggle. It's built for people who want the freedom to tackle big jobs without the bulk of a full-size tractor. From mowing and grading to digging and hauling, this tractor is ready to handle whatever challenge you throw at it. At the heart of the Bobcat CT1021 is a powerful 21 horsepower diesel engine that delivers impressive torque and dependable performance. This engine is specifically designed for long-lasting reliability, offering the power you need to tackle tough tasks while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Whether you're mowing a large field, hauling heavy loads, or digging with a front loader, the engine provides smooth and consistent power every time you start it up. Diesel engines are known for their longevity, and the CT1021's engine is no exception, giving you peace of mind that your investment will last for years of demanding use. Driving the CT1021 is a breeze thanks to its hydrostatic transmission. Instead of dealing with complex gear shifts, the hydrostatic system uses a simple two-pedal design, one for forward and one for reverse. This makes operation incredibly easy, even for beginners, while giving you precise control over your speed and direction. Whether you're navigating around trees, backing into a tight corner, or working with attachments that require slow, steady movement, the hydrostatic transmission gives you the responsiveness you need. It's perfect for jobs that require frequent speed changes, such as loader work, where smooth control is essential. One of the biggest advantages of the Bobcat CT1021 is its versatility. This tractor is compatible with a wide range of attachments and implements, allowing you to tackle dozens of different tasks without needing multiple machines. With a front-end loader, you can move gravel, mulch, soil, or even snow with ease. Add a mid-mount mower deck, and you have a high-performance mowing machine that can keep your lawn or pasture perfectly maintained. With a rear 3-point hitch and powerful PTO, you can connect implements like rotary tillers, box blades, post hole diggers, and more. Whether you're maintaining a driveway, preparing a garden, fencing a property, or clearing land, the CT1021 can adapt to the job. This kind of flexibility is what makes it such a valuable investment for homeowners, landscapers, and small farmers. Comfort and operator convenience are key strengths of the Bobcat CT1021. The open platform is designed for easy access, so getting on and off the tractor is quick and hassle-free. The controls are laid out intuitively, putting everything you need right at your fingertips. The adjustable seat provides comfort for operators of all sizes, while the clear sightlines give you excellent visibility of your work area. Whether you're spending a few minutes moving material or mowing for several hours, the operator-friendly design helps reduce fatigue and keeps you focused on the task at hand. Bobcat has clearly prioritized comfort to ensure that long days of work don't feel like a chore. Durability is another area where the CT1021 shines. Built with Bobcat's legendary toughness, this tractor is made to withstand heavy use in challenging conditions. The reinforced frame, robust axles, and high-quality components ensure that it can handle demanding jobs without compromise. The drivetrain and hydraulic system are engineered for reliability, and regular maintenance is straightforward thanks to easy access service points. From the strong cast iron rear housing to the heavy-duty front axle, every part of this tractor is designed to last. Bobcat's reputation for durability is well earned, and the CT1021 lives up to that legacy. The hydraulic system on the Bobcat CT1021 is another highlight. With a strong rear 3-point hitch and powerful lift capacity, you can attach and operate a wide range of rear implements. The Category 1 3-point hitch makes it simple to connect common attachments like blades, rakes, or tillers. The independent rear PTO provides the power needed for implements like mowers and augers, while the mid-PTO allows for mid-mount attachments such as mower decks or snow blowers. The quick attach front loader system is designed to let you switch implements in minutes, keeping your productivity high and downtime low. One of the reasons the Bobcat CT1021 is such a popular choice is its ability to work year-round. In spring and summer, it's perfect for mowing, landscaping, and garden preparation. In the fall, it can help with cleanup, soil preparation, and hauling firewood. In winter, with a snow blower or front blade attached, it becomes a powerful snow removal machine. No matter the season, this tractor is ready to get to work, making it a smart investment for anyone who wants equipment that performs all year long. Instead of buying multiple machines for different tasks, you can rely on one tractor to do it all. Safety is always a priority when operating heavy equipment, and the Bobcat CT1021 includes features that keep you secure while you work. The rollover protective structure, or ROPS, provides critical protection in the event of an accident. A seat belt adds another layer of safety, and the intuitive controls help prevent operator errors. The responsive braking system ensures you can stop quickly and safely, even when carrying heavy loads. With excellent visibility from the operator's seat, you can confidently navigate uneven terrain and tight spaces while staying aware of your surroundings. Maintenance is simple and straightforward, which means more uptime and less hassle. Routine checks like oil changes, air filter cleaning, and hydraulic fluid monitoring are easy to perform thanks to conveniently located service points. Bobcat's design ensures that even operators who aren't professional mechanics can keep their machine in top condition with minimal effort. This not only protects your investment but also ensures that your tractor is always ready when you need it. From a value standpoint, the Bobcat CT1021 offers exceptional return on investment. It delivers the performance of larger tractors in a smaller, more affordable package. When you consider the wide range of tasks it can handle and the durability it offers, the CT1021 quickly pays for itself in productivity and time savings. Whether you're a homeowner who wants to maintain a beautiful property or a small-scale farmer looking to improve efficiency, this tractor offers professional-grade capability without breaking the bank. Owners of the CT1021 consistently praise it for its reliability, power, and ease of use. Many say it performs far beyond its size, handling tasks they expected would require a larger machine. It's quiet, efficient, and remarkably capable, making it a favorite among people who need a dependable workhorse that doesn't compromise on comfort or performance. The strong resale value is another bonus, reflecting Bobcat's reputation for quality and customer satisfaction. When comparing the Bobcat CT1021 to other compact tractors in its class, it's easy to see why it stands out. Many competitors offer similar horsepower but lack the rugged construction, smooth hydrostatic transmission, and operator-friendly features that Bobcat delivers. With Bobcat, you're not just buying a tractor, you're investing in a brand known for innovation, reliability, and support. Bobcat's dealer network provides excellent service and readily available parts, ensuring that ownership remains simple and stress-free. If you're looking for a compact tractor that can handle mowing, hauling, grading, digging, snow removal, and more, the Bobcat CT1021 should be at the top of your list. It's built for people who demand the best from their equipment and aren't willing to compromise on quality. From its powerful diesel engine and hydrostatic transmission to its versatile attachment options and operator comfort, this tractor offers everything you need to tackle tough jobs with confidence. The Bobcat CT1021 is more than just a compact tractor, it's a tool that helps you take control of your property and accomplish more every day. Whether you're maintaining a few acres, running a hobby farm, or managing landscaping projects, this machine delivers the perfect blend of strength, agility, and reliability. It's compact enough to fit where larger tractors can't, yet strong enough to handle heavy-duty tasks that would overwhelm lesser machines. With its year-round versatility, easy maintenance, and durable construction, the CT1021 is an investment that will keep paying off for years to come. So if you're ready to step up your property maintenance game or simply want a machine that can do it all, visit your local Bobcat dealer and see the CT1021 in action. Take it for a test drive, explore the wide range of attachments, and experience firsthand how this compact tractor combines power, precision, and comfort in one unbeatable package. The Bobcat CT1021 isn't just built to work, it's built to help you work smarter, faster, and with greater confidence. Don't settle for less when you can. Own a tractor designed to exceed expectations and deliver results day after day. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this detailed look at the new Holland Workmaster 25S, be sure to hit that like button, share this video with other tractor enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews, helpful tips, and expert insights. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your next big project deserves the power and performance of a machine built to work as hard as you do, and the new Holland Workmaster 25S is ready to make it happen.